welcome back to this channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, I say thank you. This video, I'll be talking about the kind of lady you should never talk about marriage, talk less of getting married to them. Never you marry this kind of a ladies. So before we move to number one, I will appreciate you if you are joining us for the first time. Like and follow our channel and turn on the notification button in case we drop another videos, you'll be able to be notified, because I share different tips and about relationship and marriage on this channel. Share, like, and so on. Turn off the notification button. So number one, never you marry a cheating lady. When you are having a you know now, when you are having a relationship with a lady and you find out she's cheating, she's a kind of cheating person, liar, you understand, she's not straightforward, please don't take it to the next level of talking about marriage. It's very important. You get why, my brother. He get why. It's never you marry a cheating lady. So number two, don't marry a selfish lady. There are some girls, they only know about themselves. There's one in Yoruba called Ayigida Ayefo. Hey, when it happen, they go run. So now wetin they get from you, na im they chop. If they don't chop and finish, if you broke pere, they not ready to manage you. Some ladies, they go, you don't jack, you don't move to another man. On a kind of a selfish lady, when it comes to a selfish lady, they only think about themselves. They don't care about you. So all they know about you is bring. If you see a lady that cannot support you, even at your early relationship, you don't know your plan, you don't even care, you don't want to hear about maybe you have a plan for the future or not, please don't even think about that kind of lady. Never you marry that kind of a lady. So number three, a marriage with a stubborn woman. No marry stubborn woman. If you don't notice, say this kind one, see, let me tell you, no matter how a lady is stubborn, if she really loves you, she will submit. But when a lady is becoming so stubborn, you can't control her. Even if you marry, you won't be able to control her. That marriage cannot last. It will collapse. So before you get to that stage of having a collapsed marriage, going to depression, I will advise you, don't marry a stubborn lady. It's very, very important. Marrying a stubborn woman, it will never last. No matter how you want it to look, there will always be a problem in that marriage. So I'll talk about number four. Marry a woman who can never apologize. There are some ladies like that, they always stand on their ground like, what do you want to do? Instead of them, once they notice they did something wrong, they will still be expecting you to be the one to apologize first. So that kind of lady is not encouraging and suitable for marriage. If you really want your marriage to last longer, never marry a lady that can never apologize, no matter what. If a lady really loves you as you want, even if you're the one at fault, she will still apologize. And don't take that kind of a lady for granted. As a man, you also have your own senses. You should know when something is real and not. I will talk about that in another video, how to know if a woman really loves you. Just follow and share and turn on the notification button, so as we drop more videos, you'll also be getting. I will be sharing more points. How to know if a woman really loves you, how to know a woman that is suitable for marriage, how to know and control, even if she is a stubborn woman, how to drop down her ego. I'll talk about that too. So let's move on to number five. Married to a materialistic woman. A materialistic woman is a risk. Don't take that risk. When you have a lady that didn't care about, he can use his last card to buy just a singlet that is raining. He always care about life. It's very, very important not to marry that kind of lady without her changing first. And you can't change a lady. Once you take it that way and you get to marriage, you can't change her. Those are the kind of lady, when you get to marriage, all they think about going to party after party. Oh, party, no, I beg you. You see, learn to understand a lady before you talk about marriage. Don't let only love blind you. So it's very, very important. And as a lady, also, don't be too materialistic in everything you do. Especially if you are now married, you should remember you are going to have the children, and they will be expecting something about or from you. What you lay down are most, especially if you now have a girl as a child, you will look at the things you are doing is the way you also follow. If you marry a materialistic lady as a man, she will do anything to get what she wants. If it's for her to cheat, to buy that thing, maybe they have a party, I should be to buy that thing, she will do it. So as a man, you should be careful of the kind of woman you marry as early age. And as a lady, you should also be careful the kind of man you are going to marry at your early age before talking about marriage. It's not for only early man. So notify. Thank you for watching this video. Turn on the notification button as we'll be dropping the next video. And help us share and follow. Please follow our channel, assist us, support us, and we pray may God always bless you in all everything you lay your hand on. You shall be fruitful. Thank you.